about collaboration, about co-writing, uh, what's better? Well, there is no better or worse. In my opinion, I will always, if I given a choice, I will always prefer to collaborate. It's only because it just opens up doors that you normally would never open up on your own. Okay, so two songwriters in a room, playing off of each other, bouncing ideas off of each other is, in my opinion, much better than you just sitting there by yourself. That's not to say that you can't write great songs and amazing songs by yourself. Okay, and it all depends on your goals. Like what do you want to do with this song? Are you writing for yourself? What are your songwriting goals? So do you want to try and pitch this song? You want to marry it with another artist? Are you an artist yourself? Do you want to be a singer songwriter? Do you want to make it big? Do you want to be a pro at this and be a professional recording artist? Or are you like many members on the Melody Experiment? Are you just like a person that you have a passion for music? You have a passion for songwriting. You just love it. You don't necessarily need to pitch it to publishers or artists or record companies or whatever, or put it out on the internet and Spotify and all that, the rest of it. Okay, your goal is to write a song. Okay, to go through that experience. It's an incredible experience. It's an amazing thing to experience that creativity, that sense of accomplishment, that sense of discovery is a beautiful thing. It doesn't necessarily have to be on a professional level. Sharing it with others is also very special, but it doesn't have to be with the whole world necessarily, or it might be. It depends on your goals. Okay, you might want to share it with your family, with your friends, with your local pub. Okay, so it all depends on what your goals are. That's the bottom line. When you're collaborating and co-writing with someone, usually you're leaning towards the pro side of this business. Okay, you're trying to write a song that's gonna be accepted or by whoever you're trying to pitch it to, right? It's usually by design. Not to say that a couple of songwriters, a couple of buddies can't get together and have an incredible session and write a song without there being any strings attached. Okay, that's not whatever. There's no rules here, but it does depend on your goals and exactly what you want to achieve as a songwriter. When you're collaborating with others, you're really opening yourself up to incredible opportunities, incredible avenues that normally by yourself, and I always say this to people, and I think it's true of any business. When you're looking at the business of music, the business of songwriting is no different to any other business. Trying to start a business by yourself from scratch is one of the biggest mistakes anybody can make, because you're not going to be able to cover all the bases. Maybe you're really good at, let's say you wanted to open a restaurant. You're a great chef. Well, you need someone at the front of the house. You need someone to run the joint, or you need someone to get capital, to get investors, to open this thing or to market it, to, promote it, to advertise. Like, you can't be good or amazing at everything. And even if you were, there's not enough hours in the day. So collaborating and working with others, especially when you want to do it on a professional level, is always preferred to doing anything by yourself, including songwriting. Okay? Hope that helps.